Hello guys, today I want to show you how to close chartered bank account online. So first head over to Google and type in chartered bank account. Hit the first link. Now get back to the footer of the website, and here just click on Bank with Us. Now head over to the middle of the page and click on Contact Us, and choose G.Services Write to Us. So here you get the email and the business banking and all the Contact Us details. So you should able to send an email to the shorted bank account and let them know you want to close your account. They will send you respond via your email containing a form, and you should fill in that form, and they will get back to you with the successful message of closing your chartered bank account in a few minutes. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.